pink. Bug, we're gonna make a bug. So I'm just using a plastic palette, and I'm going to do 2 different colors today. So we're just gonna cover our roll. And I covered my table so I don't have to worry about getting paint on my table. I'm just using acrylic paint here. And a 1-inch flat brush. I think 1 coat of paint will be enough. I'm gonna set that aside. You can use whatever colors you like. And then I have some pom-poms. And if you hold it like this, you won't get as much paint on your fingers. Let that dry, and we have 2 colors to work with. I think 1 will probably be enough. Take 1 out. We're going to be making little antennas, so I think we're going to need we need 4. Fold it in half and cut it, and then fold those 2 in half. And actually you don't have to cut that because we can just use those for the 2. Like that, or you can cut them. And I'm going to use pom-poms. Pick up some pretty pom-poms, maybe 2 purples and 2 pinks. Just dry them real quick. Glue our pom-poms to the pipe cleaners. Do not touch that hot glue. It's very hot. Oops, you don't want that. Make sure it's with the glue facing up. Oops, they're getting away from me. A little bit of glue on there. Put that right into the hot glue and let that dry. I'm going to do that for these other 2 as well. Okay. And once those have dried, we are going to attach them to our bug. Right on the edge. This, just like that. Yep, it's not going to stay. And actually, my hot glue might not be the best option, but we are going to try a couple different things. So we'll just let that sit for just a minute. Put that aside for a minute. I'm going to tie these both together by twisting. And I'm going to put the glue on here instead. See if I can do that. And then twist it around and just put it just like that. And hold it for a minute while it cools off. Carefully place the eye down and push it. And the same thing for this one. Okay, hold them down for just a second. And the same thing for this guy. And once it dries, the stuff can get rubbed off. Cute little critters. We're going to add some wings and a nose or a mouth. Okay, I'm going to unplug my hot glue gun for a second. I'm just going to cut the shape of a heart. for the back, like that. So if we want them to be the same, and then half, and you want them to be the same, so then you're just going to be tracing the same one. Okay, now we got 2 wings to add to the back of this one, like that, or we can do it to this one. So let's put it on this one. We're gonna put glue right there, and then we'll push down on the body so that it attaches. The back, and then we still need a face. Just creating a heart shape for my wings for one, and I'm going to do the same thing. They don't have to be the same size. Okay, here's 2 wings for the back of this guy. Okay, I'll put those down and glue them on. And right there in the back. Smiley face. Paint marker, or even just a regular marker would work too. But what if we draw some little hearts all over? So you don't have to have a paint marker if you want to try just a regular marker. That would work too. Just some hearts. On the wings. Like that. You have a Crayola marker. You can also add details with them. If you want to add dots, or you can draw lines. Oh, they're so cute. So then you can write your little message on the back. So let's say you want to write, I love you. And then write your name. Isn't that cute? Be creative and see what you can come up with.